Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your stomach? The one where you realize your phone is gone, or maybe you accidentally uninstalled your Coinbase Wallet app, and suddenly, all your crypto feels lost. It's a moment of pure panic, but what if I told you there's a way to get it all back? This isn't about the Coinbase exchange account, which is like a bank where they hold your money. This is about the Coinbase Wallet, which is a self-custody wallet, meaning you are the bank. The key to your digital vault isn't a password you can reset. It's something far more important, your 12-word recovery phrase. Losing this phrase is like losing the only key to a safe. If you have it, you can get your funds back, no matter what happens to your device. If you don't have it, well, that's a different story. So, let's break down the only way to recover a lost Coinbase wallet. First and foremost, you need that recovery phrase. It's the only thing that proves you're the owner. If you have it written down on a piece of paper or stored securely in a password manager, you're in a great position. To start the recovery process, download the Coinbase Wallet app on your new device. Instead of creating a new wallet, you'll select the option that says, I already have a wallet or restore with recovery phrase. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your 12-word phrase. Make sure you enter it in the exact order, with no typos or extra spaces. It's a precise key, so every word and every space matters. Once you've entered the phrase correctly, the app will connect to the blockchain and restore your wallet, showing you your funds and transaction history. You'll then be able to set up a new password or biometric security for that device. Now, a crucial word of warning: if you don't have your recovery phrase, I have to be blunt. There is no way for Coinbase to help you. They don't store your phrase, and they can't reset it or give it to you. That's the fundamental design of a non-custodial wallet. It's built for your total control and security, but with that power comes great responsibility. So, if you're watching this and you still have access to your wallet, go now and back up that phrase. Write it down. Put it in a fireproof safe. Store it securely in an offline password manager. Do whatever it takes to ensure you never have to go through the panic of a lost wallet again. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.